Okay, so we are going to stop with mean medium mode and we're going to go into adding, subtracting, and multiplying monomials. So I'm going to do like a little, instructional video today, and then we're going to practice the same skill all week, okay? So let's start off with a little bit of vocabulary. So a monomial is a number or a variable. You know what both those words mean. So a monomial is a number or a variable or a product of a number and variable. Okay, so and let's look like what that looks like in real life. So a monomial could be a number. So a number, for example, is 9, or it could be 27. That's the number part. A monomial could be a variable. So that could be x, or that could be x to the 7th. Okay, or it could be the product of a number and variable. So it could look like 3x, or it could look like 4yz squared. All of those are monomials. Okay, monomials with the same variables and exponents are like terms. We've said this all year. We've said the words like terms all year. Okay, so let's go into adding and subtracting. So to add and subtract monomials, all you have to do is combine like terms. Okay, you do not change the variables and exponents. The only thing you change is the coefficients in front. So look at number 1. As long as whatever is after the coefficient is exactly the same, then you just add the numbers. So after the coefficient is x, after this 5 is x, so you just add the numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9, and you don't change the variables or exponents, so I just leave it x. Okay, look at number 2. You're looking after the coefficient. Coefficient is this big number in front, okay? So after the coefficient, AB. After this coefficient, AB. Okay, so now we just combine the like terms. What's negative 12 minus 2? That's negative 14. You do not change the variables or exponents, so you have AB on the end. Okay, let's look at a couple more. So after the coefficient right here is m squared. After this coefficient m squared. Since they're the same, I just combine like terms. 7 minus 9 is negative 2m squared. Okay, let's get down here. Okay, let's look at number 5. So number 5, look after the negative 3, I have r squared s. After the 11, I have r squared s. Since those are exactly the same, you just add your coefficients. Negative 3 plus 11 is 8. And then you keep your variables and exponents the same, r squared s. Okay? Let's do this last one right here. So number 6. After the coefficient, PQR, and then this one does not have a coefficient. So we know that there's an understood 1 in front of that. So after the 1, PQR. They're exactly the same, so I do 10 plus 1, and I get 11 PQR. Okay, So let's go over to multiplying monomials. So when you multiply monomials, you just use the product rule.